NASDAQ gonna keep going down. Okay, NASDAQ 100. Let's go down on 14,963, I think. Nope, Mash, I was done trading after that yesterday. But NASDAQ did do exactly what I said it was going to do. I said it's going to go back up, and then we'll drop this morning. I think it could spike back up to the open. One minute entry. I'm gonna put a buy on NASDAQ. I'm gonna go for an open. I think NASDAQ is gonna retouch the open price, and then we're gonna continue back down. Get the push up to the open. We'll see if we can get there. Almost there. Need one more little push up of momentum. Can we get there? Need like 50 more pips. Actually 100 now since it dropped. You know, it was funny. I was looking at NASDAQ last night during this consolidation. I was thinking, no, why not? Why not put a sell up here? But I didn't. But where to? I mean, NASDAQ could have made a W now, actually. Let me see if that's a W now. Get rid of the M. There we go. There we go. Come on, hit TP, baby. Alright, closed. Alright, that's a successful trade. Now, my original analysis, I said NASDAQ was going to go up, and I wanted to look for the push back down. What's up, Hightower? Uncle Todd? Now, tricky part. I don't think it's a good idea to sell now. But I do still think we're gonna make a W. Wait, hold on, I'm tripped out. Hold on, could the W start from here? Actually, let me see. If we draw it from there. Do we got a W? Are we actually gonna go up to yesterday's high? I think today may be a W setup. I think it's a buy. If this is a W, does it have any reason to drop down here? Could very well continue. I think so. Well, since there's no clear entry, I don't think I'll do anything yet. Hey, good morning, Albert. Well, how has US30 done today? We do got a continuation bullish Kangaroo Tail. And we got the alert for it. I'm gonna take a shot. I'm gonna take a buy on this continuation Kangaroo. Because I think we got a W, you know? I think this is gonna go to yesterday's high in the next couple hours. Never mind. Wow, retested down quickly. They just made 80, that's why. Yesterday I was cool losing 100. I don't know how much I'm cool with losing today. No, it's only double. It's not double. It's contract size, Albert. NASDAQ is 10 contracts. Hourly Kangaroo on NASDAQ now. Bullish Kangaroo Tail. Yesterday on the M we had bearish Kangaroo Tail, so gonna go back up. I mean, this is the exact reverse movement as yesterday. Yeah, we're gonna shut up about that. I'm actually not talking about that trade. I already entered a buy. I'm in a buy, so I don't care what happens. Right here, Awakening. Make an account on that. Click make a standard account. Don't do ECN. ECN will give you commission for $5 per lot. Do standard, there's no commission. If you use that link and you place a trade, I do get a 5-cent commission. So if you want to help me out, support the stream, hit that link. So I'm going to have a TP at yesterday's high. And we'll see if I can get a couple positions in. I'm going to do a smaller lot size. What is the... okay. And I'm getting out of the trade if prices make new lows. Basically, the low is my emergency stop loss. Because if it goes down from there, it's probably going to keep going down a shit ton. I'm talking about like making making a lower low. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, if price drops here right now, we're gonna drop a long ways, I think. You can't trade indices in the United States. You have to go offshore. You have to go offshore, like on N1CM. You can trade US30 and NASDAQ on micro mini futures, but you can't trade a MetaTrader on that. You have to do regular platform. You know what? I think it's a buy. I think everybody should actually just buy this. Why do we only got 24 people in here right now? Let's get this viewership boosted right now. Is everybody satisfied with a buy? I have 2 positions running. I mean, that's a perfect damn bullish Kangaroo Tail. I mean, yep. Looks like Bitcoin tried to touch some. Ooh, Bitcoin hitting 48,000. So we got some good. Bitcoin needs a blast through there. No, he's not done with videos. When you make YouTube videos, you go in stages of making a lot of videos, then you get burnout, then you make a lot of videos, then you get burnout. No, I haven't even looked at gold. I will though, as you mentioned it. It's probably pretty easy to make a decision on gold, right? Gold is probably a buy off that trend line. Keyword is probably. To me, it looks like gold would be a buy, but look at right when you notice it, it's hitting some resistance though. Yeah, now's, and I guess we're going up a little bit. But we are getting a shit ton of rejection on all these wicks, which is not good. It's not a good sign. I don't like these 7 candles. Part of me wants to close my trades now. Damn, that escalated quick. Part of me wants to close the trade now. But I won't. I won't close yet. You know what? I think this is a test of fucking patience right now. I'm not gonna close yet. I know I'm in a lot of drawdown. I ain't gonna close yet. I do gotta keep an eye on my margin. Okay. Okay, we're plenty good. Test of faith here. Alright, I think I do gotta be willing to risk 100 on here. Yeah, just like yesterday. $100 was my risk yesterday, right? My emergency stop, and I went a lot of drawdown and it finally went up. See what happens. Is this a market maker fake out, or are we going to reverse back up? We're to see right here. If it makes a lower low, though, I'm getting the fuck out of the trade. Yeah, I haven't tapped out yet. I'm just hoping it's just going to be a double bottom, and we're going to go back up, and we're going to win the trade, because we did not close that shit. But if it makes a lower low, I'm getting out. Fuck. It ain't happening today, guys. There ain't going to be a big trade today, unfortunately. It ain't happening. It's going to probably be a $300 lost day. I don't have my stop loss in yet, Mash. Think it's going to tank? Let's see. I'm double bottom? What is this? Do we got a bullish Kangaroo Tail about to close? No, never mind. Yep. Hey, what's going on, Mo Tyrant? Hi. Double bottom. I'm done. I'm done. I'm tapping out. I think I stopped planning, but I closed manually. I'm not happy with it. I think we're fucking going down. What a fucking weird... What a fucking weird pattern. What a weird pattern. I'm gonna reset my markups. I'm gonna reset the markup. What happened that I did not see before? Hold on. I know what happened in my original analysis. That's what fucking went wrong. Original analysis was to fucking sell. Original. That's where it went fucking wrong. There ain't nothing wrong with the markup. It was my original fucking analysis. That's why I fucking lost 200 today. Tip 1. Go with your first analysis. Fuck the second analysis. Second analysis fucked me. I mean, I called out yesterday exactly what the market would do. We'd go back up, we'd go back down. Yeah, I did high tariffs were. Good thing I did this live because you can see how when we're seeing these patterns, your bias can change, and then you briefly forget about your original analysis. I do notice a bigger M too. Check this out. Yeah, minor mistake. It was an M all along. It was an M all along. Basically, I mean, this is how we had the M yesterday, based on this. It was right there. Wait, was it? Hold on. How did I draw it up yesterday? At what point? Oh yeah, it was like this. It was like that. But then today, I mean, hindsight, I'm noticing the most obvious bigger M. And I bought again like a dummy. What the fuck am I doing? Oh my God. Question is it too late to enter a sell? Probably. Home Depot dropping pretty good. We got bullish divergence too on US30 on the arrow line. Trying to think if there's any way I can squeeze some money out of a sell here, because probably gonna make that lower low. Question is, how far is it gonna go up before it goes? Hey Vitas, you might need to reset your Twitch page. I do know the only thing I will do is a sell, obviously. Oh. Probably. This is the time to sell yet? Yeah, Lucas, I'm gonna do a sell soon, I think. Or maybe the market ain't gonna do shit. I mean, look how much it's moved yesterday, today. Does it gotta take a little break? I was in so many sells earlier though. Let me see how many I was in. I was on 3 sells before the open this morning. Almost had, keyword is almost had another $400 day. I just left those 3 alone. On the bright side, at least I know I hold the world record for most MetaTrader 4 trades done live. I need to call fucking Guinness World Records right now. Seriously, no one's taking more trades than me live. Yesterday, I was pretty happy. Today, not so happy. Yeah, Lucas, I'm not gonna do any. Oh, I thought you said don't do a FOMO sell. To do some FTMO. Looks like FTMO updated their front page. It's pretty nice. I honestly feel like the market's just gonna be chilling for a little bit. Yeah, I mean, you got 2 wicks, Bardman, so could go up. Yeah, I missed that notification. 5-minute on US30, you said? Oh, yeah. What was I doing? I didn't even hear that alert. Were you guys mentioning bullish divergence on the 5-minute, or was that for NASDAQ 5-minute? I mean, here's the NASDAQ on the 4-hour. We can see prices liking this zone. I think NASDAQ, I mean, looking at the 4-hour, NASDAQ could drop down to 14,900. Especially how this trend line's going. I mean, if I enter a trade now and go for 14,900, that's probably $200 or $300 I could grab. Maybe more. $14,900, huh? I think I'm 14,900. Okay, my margin is good. $14,900. It sticks out to me. Okay, so if I look at this, I mean, we could consider this a break. Is it retesting up? Yeah, what a beautiful Kangaroo Tail there. Damn. Huh. An immediate jump up. Yeah, I did match, but I didn't look too hard into it. Okay, NASDAQ. Is the break and retest? Did it happen? I wonder if now is a good time to put a sell in. But the market is telling us there's a lot of rejection down there. I almost got to be willing, if I do enter a sell, you got to give it a ton of room there. I mean, like yesterday went down slowly and then tested. I mean, are we going to see the same thing today? I don't think so. Hey, what's up, iBob? Looks like prices just gapped down momentarily. Amazing. Look at what gold did. Starting to break that trend line already. That's so weird how, you see a trending market and then, the candle that you happen to notice the markup, where you're like, okay, let's buy. That is the moment when price just breaks that trend. It's so weird how the timing happens. It's like, well, shit, why didn't you notice gold when it's on down here? Instead, you're noticing it like the coincidence of the timing is just fucking unreal. I don't know how that always works out. Do I even want to look at CNN today and Fox News? Alright. I'm gonna pull it up. What's going on today? Yep, I don't understand a 2.6. Alright. So, retail sales fall more than expected as coronavirus cases surge again. By the way, guys, I will mention they do not test anybody for flu anymore. That's why the flu doesn't exist. Because they're not doing any flu tests. You go to like an urgent care or something or regular doctor appointment and be like, yo, I want a regular flu test. They're gonna look at you like you're probably crazy. And they're gonna be like, oh, we don't have flu tests. But where did all the flu tests go? CNN, US resumes flights. Taliban continue. Here are key things we need to know about the Taliban. No, we already know a lot about them. This is amazing news, right? McDonald's is adding a sweet new treat. Why is this on the homepage of CNN? One thing to be more patient is just read the news when you're in a trade. Alright. Yep. Dow tanks. Okay. There's that Home Depot news. Retail, no, that's not even a lot. Only 1%. I thought it was going to be like 10%, 15%. I don't know if 1.1% is a lot to affect US30, but apparently it is. Damn, you guys know what Joe Biden did? I don't know if the news showed it, but when they took all the US soldiers out. They didn't take all their weapons. So there's basically these big, huge containers full of fully auto machine guns. It's so weird. It's like, if you're gonna suddenly take everybody out, why don't you take the guns with you now? Biden just basically handed these crazy people free guns while trying to take away our guns. Like, what the fuck is that, yo? I said it. Within 4 years, every person that voted for Biden would have wished they didn't vote for Biden. Biden lifts SNAP benefits by 30%. Yeah. Nah, that was yesterday's news. I wonder how much money. Okay, so 40 millions. Okay, let's do the math on that real quick. 40 million American shit. So if we got 40 million people. Wait. That is unreal. There's 40 million Americans are getting food stamps? $40 million times 36. So $1.4 billion. I mean, I guess that's not a lot of money compared to what else they spend on, but hell, that's $17.2 billion in food stamps every year. It's a lot of money. Yeah, consolidation, guys. So we didn't get this. We didn't see this kind of movement yesterday. I'm still in a sell with no stop, guys. So we've been ranging. When did we enter? We entered about 20 minutes ago. By the way, I will be right back. It's time for a bathroom break real quick. All right. All right. NASDAQ popping up a bit. I mean, are we going to see the same kind of reversal as yesterday? Three or four green candles on the hourly? Either way, I still am in a sell. I've not tapped out yet. Biden sued by energy groups are releasing ban for drilling on federal lands and waters. Fucking getting sued. Yeah, we saw that news yesterday. Consumer prices. You know what? I might as well put a TP. One thing I have not done is put a TP on the trade I'm holding. No, it's 14,900. That's right. 14,900 is TP. What do you got here, Mash? Mash, you've been trading Forex since 2013? Yeah. My drawdown is getting pretty heavy though. I guess the way to get comfortable with things is doing enough things that are uncomfortable, right? Right now I'm uncomfortable being in a $100 drawdown. Fuck. You know, that scenario might happen though. I mean, we might get 3 or 4 green candles. I haven't been in this situation before in my trading career of... Definitely feeling uncomfortable about this drawdown. 140. I'm 140 in drawdown now. I'm willing to lose 200. I'm willing to lose 200. That's fair enough. That gives it enough room. That gives it enough room to at least get like to the open, so... I will exit my sell position if we go above here. Back to this zone. Does Forex Factory connect to brokers too? I didn't realize you can connect your broker account to Forex Factory. Yeah, gotcha. Drawdown is killing me. Honestly, what is a $140 drawdown when you have $120,000 available? The fuck am I? Why am I even worried about 140 right now? Like, that's not even 1% of my total amount of money. I feel like I need to play some Call of Duty, so I'm stopping and not worrying about this trade. How's Apple been doing today? You know, the spread on Apple is pretty small. Wait, that's the hourly. That's why it looks small. Yeah, Mash, I think it comes from consistency too. Just showing up and continuing to trade the markets. I keep saying one day the stream will have over 1,000 viewers. All it takes is one good video on YouTube and you blow up. Honestly, though, I wonder if this is where hedging comes into play. Like, I think if you run no stop loss, I mean, obviously you have an emergency stop loss, you'll get out. I mean, do you do opposite trade on a little bit smaller lot? Just say in case it does go the other way, you're out of your emergency stop, but you gain back on the small hedge win. I said I was getting out at 200. Ugh. If you guys want to see some pain, closing 200. Exiting the trade at 200. Hell yeah, Mash, I'm glad you picked up some things on there, trading so much on the 1 minute. We definitely have noticed a lot of patterns to pick up on the 1 minute chart. Don't they say it takes like 10,000 hours of screen time to become an expert in anything? I estimate I probably streamed about 1,000 hours. Yeah, how much total time have I streamed? We're gonna find out right now. Yeah, I mean, I could easily had a winning day. I'm fucked up on my original analysis. It ain't the market's fault. The market gave us easy money today if a couple things were done differently. Oh, it says nothing found. Why? Oh. We do have a bearish Kangaroo Tail. Bearish Kangaroo Tail just printed. Yeah, I'm only the 120,000 ranked on Twitch. That's my Twitch rank, 120,000. Fuck, we gotta get into the top 10,000 at least. Top 1,000. Alright, we're gonna get the exact numbers. First started streaming on Twitch for trading sometime in March. So from March to now, okay. Wait, what? To March 17th. Okay, I'm trying to apply. Why it ain't working? Trying to get my stream hours. First. Fuck. Hmm. 2020 streamed 483 hours. (2020) 2021 we did 311 hours of stream. So we haven't even reached 1,000 hours of screen time for trading yet. We got a long ways to go. Hey, what's up, Link? Well, it's not going the best today. Made a couple big mistakes. Not going with my original analysis. Oh well. Yeah, fuck, ain't working out today. I'm out of the trade now. Just hit. I decided to get out now. I think that's gonna be it. Wait, what's happened? Why am I seeing a red candle now? I want to wait a second. This shit can't possibly come down right now, can it? I mean, it's on a pretty good resistance zone. I mean, I almost clicked exit right when it was there. I'm gonna shit myself if this thing actually reverses back down to TP. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Alright, guys. I'm gonna hop off now. It's gonna be interesting if we drop. I think we do got a chance to drop, honestly. You doubt it will go down, Bardman? I think you're right. I think you're right after seeing that now. That candle's almost engulfing. Oh, shit. You're right. It probably won't go down. Probably won't. Probably won't. Up, up, and away we go. Yeah, there's some kind of trickery going on. Hopefully have a little bit better luck tomorrow. Actually, luck wasn't even needed today. There was no luck needed today. Just the right decisions were needed today. Here, y'all. You have a good rest of the day. If this does, if it does have a glimmer of a chance to drop down, I'm gonna be fucking surprised, honestly. But peace out, y'all.